The most popular theory about the origin of the hum is that it was a kind of autonomous weapon, since it can, albeit in rare cases, affect people and systematically destroy their memories. It seems capable of hijacking electrical devices and using them as amplifiers to project infrasonic vibrations onto the victim, or visual flicker if a screen is present. The more memories the hum steals, the more harmonics of the victim's brainwaves it can reproduce. In severe and rare cases, the hum has been able to completely absorb people over long periods of time. These people lived in isolation and were usually found in a state where they compulsively hummed a tone, seemingly remembering nothing and no one. These rare cases were supposedly the origin of the popular name, the hum.